Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make filled chocolates. First, let's master tempering, which is crucial for that professional shine and satisfying snap. You can use the seeding method, adding solid chocolate to melted chocolate, or the tabling method on a cool surface. For dark chocolate, aim for a working temperature of 31 to 32 degrees Celsius. Milk chocolate works best at 29 to 30 degrees, and white chocolate at 28 to 29 degrees Celsius. This step ensures your chocolates look and feel amazing. Next, let's create those perfect chocolate shells. High-quality polycarbonate molds are your best friend here, giving you a crisp, professional finish. Fill each cavity completely with your tempered chocolate, then immediately invert the mold to pour out the excess, leaving a thin, even shell. Gently tap the mold on your counter to release any trapped air bubbles. Then, chill the molds in the refrigerator for about 10 to 15 minutes until the chocolate is fully set and firm. Now for the exciting part, the delicious fillings. You can get creative with options like a rich ganache, a buttery caramel, or a nutty praline. The key is to ensure your fillings are completely cool and firm enough to pipe neatly. Carefully pipe your chosen filling into each chocolate shell, making sure to leave a small gap of about 2 millimeters from the top. This space is essential for sealing your chocolates with the final layer of tempered chocolate. Finally, it's time to cap and demold your beautiful creations. Spread a thin layer of tempered chocolate over the filled shells, ensuring a complete seal. Use a bench scraper to remove any excess chocolate, creating a perfectly flat bottom. Chill the molds one last time for 20 to 30 minutes until the chocolate is completely firm and contracted. Then, simply invert the mold and gently tap it on your counter to release your perfectly crafted, delicious filled chocolates. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.